Good evening, everyone. This is Mark with Mr. CB's Lawn Service and More out of Hannibal, Missouri area. I'm going to come to you tonight with a video here on my Mowing with the Breeze update. I've had this Mowing with the Breeze for about a year. I got it at the GIE show in Louisville, Kentucky in October of last year. I met Mr. Mike Foltz and all the gang there that have been invented this. Most people don't know I've got really bad allergies and I own a lawn care business, so figure that one out. Here in Missouri, the pollen count is really high right now. Last fall I used it during leaves, and I had some pictures and stuff that I sent to the Mowing with the Breeze people. They really liked them. They asked me to do a little video here on this new system that I've gotten from them. I'm not sponsored or anything by them. They don't paying me. I've bought my system and use it, and I like it a lot. Just kind of going to show you what I've got. First off, they came out with the new one that's battery pack. Right here's the battery. It's worked really handy. My first unit was one that I use stand-on mowers, so I had the belt. I wore the motor, plugged the thing into the battery and the receptacle, and had a lot of good use out of it. Worked good. You know, of course it has this little things. You catch a limb, it pulls a wire off, such stuff like that. One of the things I didn't really like about it is I had to unplug if I needed to get off the mower. It's no big deal. It's just you had to unplug and move, so you were actually shutting it off. Then Mike called me and said, "Hey, we've come out with a battery version of this, and this is what they really want to go to." I charged this battery up overnight. Got a full 100% on it. I used it yesterday. Mowed all day. We started mowing around 11 o'clock in the morning, Central Time here. And we finished about 8 o'clock last night, 8:30. And we mowed around 19 to 20 properties. And I used this on every property. At the end of the night, I didn't have any battery life left according to the meter on the battery, but it was still operating. So when I got home and put it in the charge, it didn't take very long and the 25% light come on. So it did a very good job. That was all day. I mean, it wasn't constant running of it all day because you're mowing a 30-minute yard, a 20-minute yard. I had a couple properties. I had a property that was 2 hours. So it went very well. And I'm just going to kind of show you a little bit here. This is yesterday and today mowing of the pollen that's in this thing. I don't know how easy you can see, but look how dirty that is in there. The filter is actually yellow. So I would have been breathing all that in, plus what's inside the canister, if I hadn't had this on. Since I've used this, the Mowing with the Breeze, I don't cough. Up before using it, I'd cough all the time because of the allergies and allergens and stuff in the air, and I don't cough when I'm using this. So very good system, easy to use. I'll show you how we put it on. It comes with your motor, of course. Little cord here that runs to your battery. The battery goes in a pouch. Something I did because I'm retired military and I was used to wearing harnesses and stuff like that. I just took some black tape and kind of went around the loops to make them a little smaller so they don't slide as much on me. It makes it easier for me to put it on. And what's really good about this harness here with this system is they come with a shoulder strap on it, which really aids in holding this on. So I'll see if I can get this on standing back here away from y'all. And it's pretty easy. I'm a fat guy, so I still get it on there though. Just buckle it on. I move the little strap here. That's for the shoulder strap. Reach around the back here and pull it up over my shoulder like so. And then snap her in. And that's what it looks like with it sitting right here. It sits right in that area right there. Not really that heavy, it's real good. Just put the switch to on the battery, and then we'll put the helmet on. What I do with the helmet, I take the hose across the front of me because I'm running stand-ons. I have a habit of running up under limbs and stuff, and it'll catch the hose. So probably won't hear me, but this is how I put it on. Hook the hose up, and voila. That's all there is to it. Works real good. As you can hear the motor running, the air's coming through in there. So, and then to take it off, it's just reverse of what you did to put it on. So, real nice, handy system. I like this battery system a lot. You can get off the mower, pick up trash, you can use it weed eating, you can use it blowing leaves. It makes for a easier, nicer unit to use. This is really a good thing these guys have come up with for those of us that's got bad allergies in the Midwest. If you want to buy one, just go with Mowing with the Breeze website and you can order it. You can order accessories. Something else I did too, I don't know if you can see this. This popped off a couple times on me. I just run some black tape around it because I hook stuff all the time when I'm mowing. So worked out real good. Another thing too, for some, the shields, the face shields. I got a replacement face shield. It comes with there's a white cover, you know, stickered to it to protect it in shipping. Well, when you take that white cover off, that's on the outside version of it. There is a very thin, clear cover on the inside. You can't even see it, but you got to peel that off. Otherwise, you'll have blurry vision through the hood. So great machine, love it. I would get some more video out there when I'm using it on the machine sometime. It's just wind conditions and weather and everything, with being able to use the phone and a tripod to set it up out there is kind of difficult right now. But Mike Foles and them at Mowing with the Breeze, great people to work with. I'm on the phone with him sometimes with stuff on it. Works very good. Plan on being at the 2022 GIE, or where they call it a Quick Expo now, out at Louisville. They plan to be there. I plan on seeing them. So very good unit, very good thing for those of you, and even if you don't have allergies, you're breathing all that stuff in when you're mowing. And I mean, that's going in your lungs, and that's where you get to where you're coughing at night and you got a snotty head, you know, stuff like that with that stuff. So Mike, this is for you. I'll send it out to you so you can get it out there and review it and everything. Again, I'm Mark with Mr. Seaby's Lawn Service out of Hannibal, Missouri. And thank you very much, and you have a great night.